Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how to use labels in your Google Keep. So now here you are seeing the option of edit labels, and here if you click on that it will give you the option to create a label. So sometimes you want to save notes in different categories, so these labels are the different categories. And basically if you want to save the notes related to the health, and if you want to save the notes which are related to the travel, so you can save here and you can create the labels. Click on the edit labels, and here you can give the name of your label. Click on the done, and here you are seeing the health label was created. And if I click on that, and here you are seeing it is empty, and you can save here notes related to the health and the category and the labels you created. And if I go to the any website related to the health, and if I want to save this note, and I can just select the text, and I can just right click on it, click on the save selection to keep. So this is basically the extension of the Google Keep, and click on this label and select the health label and click on the create note, and it will automatically save this note to your Google Keep health label. And if I go to the health label, here you are seeing it is saved to your label. So guys, this is how you can save the notes with your Google Keep extension. But let's say if you don't want to use this Google Keep, in recent videos I show you how to use this extension, so you can just watch my recent videos to learn how to use this extension. So if you don't want to use this extension, and if you want to directly save the notes in Google Keep, and then you can go to the any website and just select the text here you want to save the note. Right click on it and click on the copy text, and then go to the Google Keep, and then go to the notes, and then here click on the take a note. And here now you can just paste your note, and then you can just click on the close you are seeing. So once you click on that, here you are seeing your note was created. And if you want to save it to your health label related to your category or related to your label, click on this three dot and click on the add label. And here now you can select your label or your category and tick this option, and now it was saved to your health label. And if I click on the this label, and now here you are seeing it was saved to this health label. And you can also create the many labels in the Google Keep to save different things. So if this guide is helpful for you, so please like it. And that's it for today, so please like it, also subscribe to our channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.